right?
Hey.
I just thought, man, this is what all the kids are doing, so maybe I should, you know, it sounded like a good idea. I mean, you did say on Crip, so I thought maybe I should bang bees. Haha.
You gotta get out.
I did get
you gotta
straight
get out.
B's in school.
You gotta get out my car.
Huh?
Let me cut it off. You gotta get out my car, bro.
I just
It's
got
just
in.
too many things.
I
It's
just
just
got
too
in.
every day.
I
This
just
is
got
too
in.
much.
I just
Get out
got
the
in
thing.
car.
Get out the car. Get out.
I guess it's three sides to a story. It's yours and then mine, and the one we won't see for sure. And that's the truth. Never tell a lie.
What's good? What's happening with it, babies? Little KJ. Like I said, I'm finna have a let me get my lens together real quick. It's a weird little glare I'm seeing. Like, I don't know if y'all see it, but finna check the mail. Back in the mail is gone. Like I expect, just on the deal with mom, cause it's obviously not in there unless he got moved around. He got moved around. Dang, man, I just took this walk for nothing. All my life, I just been taking walks for nothing. I'm just a big joke to everybody. I'm just a big joke. That's crazy. He told me what's up though. Everybody finna play me. It's in here. They're not finna play me, not finna play me. I'll get back with y'all. So y'all won't believe where I found it. So I'm looking all the way around the crib, and they said, hey, we're gonna drop it right here. But yeah, so we finna get this popping. Quick little pop out. By the way, let me give y'all a nice little look at Onyx. Man, she is dirty, by the way, so ease up on me, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting it right. Ease up, but she pretty. A1. Nice little look. Yep, this joint gonna sit a little sideways. Whatever. I get the juice, bro. Get this popping. Get it popping open. Yeah. Quick little, hold on, so y'all can see. I don't know what none of this mean, you feel me? But I'm just gonna assume it mean light in Japanese, Chinese or something. And guess what? If it do, then I was right. I was right. I guessed it. Blah, blah. I was right. You know what I'm saying? So, boom. Take this right here. You feel me? Come on, bro. Quick, you know, finna pop this one out, cause I done deal. Me from this OCC real quick. Nah. Oh, the other one about to like drop out for real. Alright. Hey, that's straight, bro. That's straight. Alright. And this is the O. Right here. Boy, it's hot out here, boy. This the O of 1, which we finna try and put down here. And then take that one out real quick. Okay. This one is always like dumb complicated. Oh my god, it ain't like that. This one be putting me through it, boy. Okay. We'll be back in just a few moments.
Sun gaze one more fucking time.
So this what happened, right? This is trash. I don't even know what this say, you feel me? But it's trash. Oh yeah, I got my bro with me. He in the driver's seat, you feel me? Know what I'm saying? Say what's up to the people.
Sam in the building, you already know what time it is, man. On God.
So yeah. So he pulled up on me as I was fighting with this right here, so. But it's a dub though, like I gotta pretty much trash this. I got the same lights from before. And it's crazy, hold on. I just put my lights back in there. And basically what I'm finna do, I'm just gonna rock out with these lights and hope I find a remote. And I'm just gonna leave it alone, bro. Cause like, the wires ripped off on like the positive and the negative for one of the LED boards. And I was just like, nah, I'm not finna do this with my life. So yeah, other than that, until I find, boy, what was that? Yeah, nigga, you wild, boy. You trying to get me murked.
That's what that was.
Nigga got baby buzz going on around here.
No, that wasn't, boy. That was your cellular device.
Ah, you probably right, bro. I'm not finna tell you that, though. I'm not finna tell you that. Yeah. Nigga. Bro, let me tell you what pissed me off, bro. So, bro, I've been looking for this remote all this time, bro. And, like, for some odd reason, bro, I can't find a remote, nigga. You feel me? Like,
That's tough, bro.
I can't find a remote.
Did you look in your roof? Because sometimes it be in the roof and you don't even know you put it there. But if you put it in your roof, it might be up there, bro. Because if you look a little harder, it could be in your roof.
Oh, nah. Hey, you peeped that?
What happened?
My nigga. Hey, this remote just worked for this, John. Like, hold on.
Yeah, bro. I never knew.
So certain buttons apparently work, like the functions is. Alright, so change the plan, my niggas. We finna just rock out with this. Cause obviously some of the buttons work, you feel me? So how do I get the plain red? If I can find red? Oh, I done found red, it's a wrap. So I'm finna use the remote from the other one. And we Gucci, boy, ain't that right, bro?
Yeah. I like that.
Cause I just happen to, you gotta use your brain, and I use it. So pretty much what I just did though, which I was stupid, but I'm smart. I just paid $12 for a remote. That's what just happened to me. $12 for a remote, nigga. This joint is trying to catch your face. Yeah, boy, that joint trying to. Yeah.
Trying to catch my face, bro. My face is right there, bro.
Yeah, boy. It's trying
You know what I'm saying?
Boy, this hey, baby. Hold on, boy. This ain't even a remote that came with it, you feel me? But I guess the IR is just good for this one. So I know niggas probably don't know what that mean, but close to it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, this the fade. I got my fade back. Oh yeah, on Crip, boy. It's over with for everybody involved.
On Crip? On Crip? Damn, son. He said on Crip. You a whole Crip.
I'm not a Crip, bro.
Damn, bro. That's crazy, bro.
I'm not a Crip.
Cause I'm on slime, boy, on blood and all that, man. You know what I'm saying? On everything, man. 4K trade, split a nigga wig.
Huh?
Yeah, all that, man.
Hey, you ain't no gang member. We don't come from that.
You right.
Hey.
I just thought, man, this is what all the kids are doing, so maybe I should, you know, it sounded like a good idea. I mean, you did say on Crip, so I thought maybe I should bang bees. Haha.
You gotta get out.
I did get
you gotta
straight
get out.
B's in school.
You gotta get out my car.
Huh?
You got. Let me cut it off. You gotta get out my car, bro.
I just
It's
got
just
in.
too many things.
I
It's
just
just
got
too
in.
every day.
I
This
just
is
got
too
in.
much.
I just
Get out
got
the
in
damn. Get out the car. Get out the car.
Got in the car. I just
Niggas
got
every
in
day.
it.
Nigga,
I
just
just
close
got-
my close my damn door.
I need my jacket.
Right. Look, man, this is the end of this video. This is a plain disaster, bro. And I guess that's just what it is. So, I'm gonna leave y'all with this, man. I'm out of here. Y'all know the play is, man. Only person that can get in the way of you being great, you feel me, is who? That's you feel me? So on that note, we out this bit.